Hi guys! I don't know if you remember me. I was part of the first week of the summer university in Montreal, but I had to cancel Barcelona. I couldn't be with you at the last minute because of my business. Anyway, I'm here now in Paris to share my crazy with you. Maybe it's not a crazy, it's a 3 hours, 4S, 3T or whatever. My crazy is about the project of Felix. Felix has a project for someone living in Mont-Tremblant and working in Montreal. He has to find out how to solve the traffic jam in Montreal by using motorbike. I like that kind of project because it doesn't seem to be possible. One of the solutions I told him is to let motorbikers interfile between cars. Let me show you now how it's done in Paris. See how simple it is? And do not forget me to give me your solution at the end of the project. By the way, if once you are in Paris, do not hesitate to call me. It would be a great pleasure for me to get you in scooter for a ride.